The shiur is dedicated to Leilu Nishmas Rachaleya Bas Rav Chaim Tzvi. We have been discussing Perek in Sefer Yirmiyahu. This Perek, we have focused on a number of elements of the Perek. Here we have a Megillah or a Sefer that was sent by Yirmiyahu Hanavi Yerushalayim to the Ziknei Agoyla, to the Kohanim, to the Nevi'im, that the Nebuchadnezzar exiled to Babel. And in the context of this message, of this missive that was sent by Yirmiyahu Hanavi, he told the people in the Gola, Binu Vatim, in Pasukei, B'Shevu, B'nitu Ganos, V'Ichlu Es Piryam. He told them that they should settle down, build houses, plant gardens, eat their produce. They should get married in Pasuk Vav. Kichu nashim v'alidu banim uvanos. Kichu l'nechem nashim es benosechem tenula nashim v'silam banim uvanos v'ravu sham yal timatu. Because that which the Nevi Sheker told you that you are going to return to Babel in a short period of time, you're going to return from Babel to Eretz Yisrael, is not so. And therefore settle down. And we have as well in Pasuk Zayin description, V'dirshu Shloma Yir Asher Iglesia Eschem Shoma V'ispalu B'adu El Hashem Ki B'Shloma Yir Lechem Shalom. The concept of to be Daresh B'Yad Shalom HaMedina, we discussed this in the last shiur. Rab Chaninus Kanakon in the Mishnah in Perek Avos have Mispaleh B'Shlom Shel Malchus Shel Malei Meira Ishes V'Eyu Chayim Blo. And the Navi indicates in Pasuk Ches and Tes that Hashem Yisbarach tells you, Al yashiu lachem devi'echem asher bekir bechem v'kol smechem v'al tishmu l'chalamosechem asher atem machlemim. Don't listen to the Nevi Sheker. And in effect, here we have a very clear statement. In Pasuk Yud, Kicha Hashem, Ki lefi melosh leBabel shivim shana avkodeschem. Only after 70 years, Hashem Yisbarach promises us He's going to remember us. We've spoken about the language of F-code before, in the context of Yosef HaTzadik. This was the password he told his brothers. And here also we have a similar idea. And just as there was a Geula, there was a Kates, here also there is a Kates, there is a Geula after the period of 70 years. And the Navi indicates what exactly I want you to do when you are in this Galus. What exactly is the function of Galus? And the Navi tells him in Pasuk Yud Beis, "Krosem Mosiv Alachtem, V'Ispalaltem Elai V'Shamati Aleichem, U'Bikashtem Mosiv Mitzasem, Kisud V'Shuni B'Chalavavchem." And as a result, if you do tshuva, and we noted the comparison between the psukim here, in Yud Gimel Yud Dalet, the psukim we saw in Sefer Dvarim, both in the beginning of Dvarim and Parashat Vayeschanan, Ubikashtem Misham Es Hashem Elokecha U'Matzasa Kisud Yishenu B'chol Levavcha U'B'chol Nafshecha Batzar L'cho U'Mitzocha Kol HaDvarim Ha'eleh V'Shavta El Hashem Elokecha V'Shamata B'Kolo. And as well, the end of Sefer Dvarim in Parashat Nisavim, we have also the same idea. The notion of kibbutz golios, here mentioned in Pasuk Yud Daled, Hashem Yisbarach will bring us back, but not before the period of Pekida has come about and has emerged. And the Navi continues in Tezvav, Ki amarti mekim lanu Hashem nevi'im bavela. And the Navi indicates to us that those that went into Golus, in effect, they will have a life which will be reasonable. They'll be able once again to rebuild and to connect to Hashem Yisbarach. It will be a kind of waiting, if you will, till the ultimate Pekida will come, and we'll be able to return to Hashem Yisbarach. Pasuk Yitzayin Kol Hashem Tzvokos Hinni Mishalech Bamas Acher V'Sarva V'Sadover V'Nasad Yosam Kateinim Ashorim Asher Lo Tzech Halim Meroah and V'Radapti Acharechem B'Acher B'Roah V'Adover. Those that did not go to Golus and didn't believe that there will be a Golus, they are going to be punished, Rachmana litzlan, and that's mentioned in Pasuk Yud Tes. And again, constantly the people in the Gola being addressed. In Pasuk Chav V'Yatem Shimu Dvar Hashem Kol HaGola Asher Shilachti Mishalayim Bavela. And here we have the reference to the idea of Golus and exactly what their function is. And again, mentioned again in Pasuk Chav Ches Ki Al Kein Shalach Eleinu Bavel Eimor Arukahi. The Galus is going to be of an extended period of time. Binu vatim b'shevu b'nitu ganos v'chlu es prien. And that's what the Kohen Tzefanya, who reads this letter, B'yaznei Yirmiyahu Hanavi in Pasuk Chav Tes, And Hashem again tells Yirmiyahu Navi to send to the exile in Pasuk Lamed Aleph Shlachal Kol HaGoyla Leimor Kol Amar Hashem El Shmaya Nechlomi Yad Hashem Nibo Lachem Shmaya Vani Lo Shlachtiv Vayavtacheschem Al Shokeh Lachem Kol Amar Hashem Hineni Foked Al Shmaya Nechlomi V'Al Zar Lo Yilo Ish Yoshe B'Toch Ha'am Hazeh V'Lo Yireh Bat Tov Hashem Yosel Aminum Hashem Ki Sara Diber Al Hashem. So what I would like is the idea of Galus, and I would like to examine it in the eyes of Rabbi Simcha HaKohen, the author of the Meshech Chochmah, one of the most beautiful svarim, Perushim al Torah, and he has a number of different discussions of the idea of Galus that he mentions in several different places, and we're going to read selections from the Meshech Chochmah, and they're going to relate them to this particular Perek.